Studying is hard enough, but it gets even worse when your space is messy or boring. But don't worry, you don't need to spend so much money on a Pinteresty setups. It doesn't matter if you study on a desk, on the bed, or on the floor. In this video, I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks to study with focus. 1. Pick a good study spot. Your study spot should be a place where you can stay focused. It's okay if you don't have a study desk. You just have to find a place where is silence and can stay focused. If your house is noisy, try to use earplugs or headphones to block the distractions. 2. If you don't have a study table, don't worry, it's not big deal. Just find a place where you can stay focused, like a bed corner or on the floor. You just have to put a foldable table, a blanket, and a pillow for comfort. 3. You can't stay focused if your space is messy. Keep your space clean and organized. If your space is not clean, you can get disturbed and can't stay focused. So clean your space before study. 4. Keep your room temperature normal, because if it's too hot, you'll feel tired, and if it's too cold, you'll feel lazy and uncomfortable. Just do one thing. If it's hot, open the window or put a stand fan or a table fan. And if it's cold, wear socks or extra sweater or just take a blanket. 5. Write motivational notes and paste it in front of your study place. And read it before studying. It helps you to stay motivated and focused before study. 6. Aesthetic notes make studying more interesting and enjoyable. You don't need expensive highlighters or markers to make your notes look good. You can use color pencils or crayons to highlight important points. Write neatly and keep your notes clean and organized. This helps you find information quickly and makes revision easier. Good handwriting and simple decorations can make your notes attractive and motivating to study. 7. Studying with an empty stomach keep you feel tired and lose focus. So eat some little snacks or fruits before studying, or keep it beside you so you don't have to leave your spot. And also keep your water bottle with you to stay hydrated. That's it for today. If you want to know more tips to study with focus, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.